You were right. You didn't see that name on any computer screen or in any file.
Because names like that, they ain't supposed to exist.
We couldn't figure out, though,
How you ever found that name. But I think I have it now. Your mother knew Freeman. That's the next door I'll be knocking on. Sorry, babe. Blanks. We figured you'd check the clips. So we took care of all your little insurance policies.
We?
Even that one from your bedroom, where I noticed you have a sex swing. Not surprised. You're just a little black whore, like your mama. Shit! God, I'm glad I called for backup. Eeny, meeny, miny, whatever. Never could catch a nigger by the toe. And at 67, I doubt I ever will. I'm coming out, guys.